In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix coins not showing up on your Trust Wallet listing. If you happen to list a coin and you don't find it, watch this video until the very end to fix this issue out. On my Trust Wallet account, let's say you want to buy Solana coins, but whenever you tap on buy and search for Solana, they won't appear anywhere. This doesn't work on Solana coins alone. It can be any other coins such as XRP, Dogecoins, ADA coins, and among others. To list any coin that's not available, simply get back and tap on this icon on your upper right corner of the screen. On this page, head into the search bar and type in the coin you wish to add to your listing. Then make sure to enable it. When turned on, the selected coin will automatically get added to your wallet listing, and you can now either buy or import the coin assets at any time. That's how easy it is to add coins to your listing on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions or anything you would like us to talk about, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't hesitate to hit that like button, share, and subscribe, as it much helps for the channel growth.